In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo. This can be a really useful skill, especially if you're looking to manage your audience more effectively or clean up old data. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into the process. The first step in bulk deleting profiles in Klaviyo is to create a specific list. To do this, head over to the left panel of your dashboard. You'll want to click on the section labeled Audience, and then select Lists and Segments. Once you're there, look for a button that allows you to create a new list. Give your list a memorable name that reflects the profiles you plan to delete. This will help you keep things organized and make the process smoother down the line. Now that you have a list created, we move on to the next step, populating this list with the profiles you want to remove. Click on your new list and start adding all the profiles you wish to delete. Take your time with this step. It's crucial to double-check that you've included all the right profiles and that you haven't accidentally added any that you still need. A thorough review can save you a lot of hassle later. With your list filled, let's head to the Profile Maintenance section. To do this, click on your company name located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will take you to a Settings menu. Look for the Others tab in this menu, and then scroll down until you find the Profile Maintenance section. This area will provide you with the tools you need to manage profiles effectively. Now we're almost at the finish line. The next step is to delete the profiles. From the Profile Maintenance section, you should see an option labeled Delete People. Click on that, and it will prompt you to select the specific list you created in the first step. Once you've selected your list, you'll need to confirm the action to remove those profiles from your account. This confirmation step is very important. Make sure you're fully aware of what you are about to delete, as this action cannot be undone. So to recap, here are the steps we went through. We started by creating a specific list, then populated it with profiles, navigated to the Profile Maintenance section, and finally deleted the profiles. It's a fairly simple process, but each step is crucial for ensuring you're managing your audience effectively and efficiently. And that's it. You now know how to bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo. Remember, this is a powerful tool in your email marketing arsenal, but with great power comes great responsibility. Be cautious when selecting profiles to delete, and always double-check to avoid accidental data loss. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.